The metre2Publisher is the application we use to report against metre2 estimating data that's been provided or produced by the metre2 desktop product or has been stored in the metre2 cloud product. It's important to recognize that you can use the publisher independently of the desktop estimating system. So you don't have to be a license holder of the estimating system. You can just report against estimates that you've been given access to, either by the cloud or by individual product files. When you come to open up the software for the first time, you'll see that on the left-hand side is your cloud login details. So if you already have a license for metre2, you would enter your email address and password in the usual manner. Remember my credentials and OK. If you're new to the system, then you can enter a name and an email address, and that will give you a temporary license for 7 days with some example reports available to you. So you can see here we've got some bill item reports, an example of a bill of quantities, both in a PDF version and an Excel version. The software itself is a fairly standard interface. We use panes. There's a separate video to describe panes and the different methods of hiding and displaying the pane information. There's also a video on swapping the system to dark mode to maybe take some of the pressure off your eyesight. What fundamentally the software needs is the software needs you to load a job. So you need to have access to a desktop file, an estimate file of some sort, or maybe a metre2 cloud profile. Once you've loaded the software, then your named job will appear here and you can run the estimate reports that are available to you. Your profile, once you've been granted a profile, will control the reports that you're available to see. And once you start to open up the software, you'll see the recent estimates will start to appear here. So it's a fairly straightforward publisher approach. There are several videos available to explain the different styles of reports that we have available, different groups of reports, maybe going to tender settlement, preparing a bill for a client, etc. But that's a brief introduction to the metre2Publisher version 3.